Looking to secure your WhatsApp on your iPhone? It's easy to add extra privacy. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple methods to lock your WhatsApp app. Let's get started. Method 1. WhatsApp's built-in app lock. Open up the WhatsApp app, then tap on the settings from the below. After that, tap on privacy. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap app lock. Make sure you have turned on your Face ID on your iPhone. Now simply toggle on the require Face ID and select immediately. Method 2. Lock the WhatsApp app from iPhone. Press and hold your WhatsApp app from your iPhone home screen. If you set Face ID before, it will show an option called Require Face ID. Then tap Require Face ID. Again, tap Require Face ID. You will lock with Face ID. Now no one can open the app without your Face ID. Method 3. iPhone Screen Time Restrictions. Open up the Settings app. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Screen Time. Next, tap App Limits. Then tap Add Limit. Next, tap on the arrow icon next to the Social option. Select WhatsApp. Then tap Next. Now choose how much time you can spend on WhatsApp daily. Then tap Add from the top right corner. After you select a time, your WhatsApp will be locked automatically. That's it everyone. This is how you can lock your WhatsApp on your iPhone to keep it more private. Hope this video helps. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.